Hello and welcome to yet another video on the Twofold channel. This right here is a 2025 Ford Ranger Platinum, and as all things go on this channel, I'll be telling you all about the looks on this car, comparing it to your normal Ford Ranger. Then we go inside and then we take it for a spin, and then I give you my final remarks on this baby over here. So without wasting any further time, let's give it a go. So first things first, we need to talk about the looks on this Ford Ranger Platinum. Because it is a Platinum and therefore it is a bit more premium than a normal Ford Ranger, what you get up front is that chromed out grille right over here, as you can see. Then you get the Platinum embossed right here over on top over the hood. And then on the sides of that, you get the signature daytime running lights on the C shape, as well as those LED lights that give you bright vision at night. And then you get a blacked out bumper or grille that leads onto the bumper body style kind of bumper right in front. And then on the sides, you get V6 embossed, just to show people that you're actually driving something a bit more premium than a normal Ford Ranger. You get Platinum embossed as well. And then you get nice rails on the top of the roof. And then at the rear of the vehicle, you get those signature LED lights as well coming through there on this Ford Ranger Platinum. And that's that from a looks perspective. It still pretty much looks like your normal Ranger, but with a few extras because you are driving a premium Bakkie over here. And then let's go inside so I can show you all the nice things that Ford has put into this vehicle. Now that we're inside the Ford Ranger, we have to definitely talk about everything that we see in here. So right in front of me is a big steering wheel with some shortcuts here on the side. And then what you see in front of that is a super big screen for all my instrumentals. It shows me literally everything from navigation, from the speed that I'm doing, to showing me any warning signs that the vehicle might, incur during the trip. And then right on my side here is a big infotainment screen that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. And then right underneath that are physical buttons actually for the aircon, and then the volume rocker as well. Then you get two cup holders, a gear lever. Then there is driving mode selector right after that, and then there's a cubby here in the center just to keep everything tidy and hidden away. And then when we come to the far left of me, you get a Platinum embossed here, and then you get another cubby over there, then some detailing, wooden accents, just to give this Ranger Platinum a little bit of a differentiator between it and the normal Rangers that you find. It's kind of like a premium feel to it. It's a wooden finish, and then there's stitching all around with the leather just to accompany that. And right underneath the Platinum embossed, you get a cup holder, which makes in total about 4 cup holders just in the front of inside the vehicle. And then you get still that wooden accents on the side panels of the doors, some leather there as well. And then there's a Bang & Olufsen sound system in this vehicle, which is super premium as well. Bang & Olufsen standard in this car. It's a great touch in Ford vehicles. And then there are the seats in this vehicle, super comfortable. They also have the leather stitching on them, and Platinum embossed, again just to differentiate this model against your regular or normal Ford Ranger that you find on the road. And I think when we talking about inside, it's very fitting that we also talk about the driving experience of this car. It is powered by a V6 engine, a turbo diesel one at that. That's good for about 184 kilowatts, as well as 600 Newton meters of torque. Power is instant. I love it. Took it on the open road, drove out to the Free State, and it's a comfortable ride. What I don't like though is that it's very thirsty. In terms of numbers, we're looking at about 12 liters per 100 kilometers. It's not on the safe side. I understand it's a V6 engine. It gives you that instant power. It's there, but still, sure, it's too thirsty, too much for my liking, that is. But from a driving dynamics perspective, like I said, the ride is super comfortable. The wheel size, 20-inch wheels on this vehicle, perfectly matched to this car. They're all season tires, but I think I would love to experience it with more of a off-road tire situation going on. But again, I understand for this trim, because it's a Platinum one, comfort, has to come over and above everything else. And if you really want to take it off-roading, I guess that's where you'll go for the Raptor. That's where you'll go for maybe a wild track. That's where you'll go for any other of the variants, that suit that occasion. But this one, still perfect. Space right in front, behind the driver is pretty much adequate. But again, for adults, I think they would struggle just sitting in here for longer rides. But if you're driving around town, pretty comfortable, pretty easy for shorter routes. But that's that on the driving of this vehicle. What I want to point out too as well is that as we close off this review, is that this car comes packed with a load of convenient stuff that are really, really cool, such as a side step at the rear of the Bakkie, where you can actually get easy access into that platform at the Bakkie side of the car. And then as well, you get that roller shutter blind, which is a really nice touch to this vehicle, and actually adds to the whole Bakkie experience without you having to put up a tent or anything of that sort. I love that, and that it comes standard here in the Platinum. And then when you are looking pretty much as I'm trying to join the highway here, and then when you're looking pretty much elsewhere, I feel like this trim for me, I know it comes at a premium about 1.1 million rand, it's just perfect. We have reviewed the Platinum before, but again we had to do it in a longer format in this review, and it just speaks to me. I've driven all the other ranges before, but this one is just perfect. And that's my final remark on this vehicle. I'm pretty keen to find out what you think of it. Again, leave your comment down below, and make sure that you're subscribed to this channel. So that's it. That's my time with the 2025 Ford Ranger Platinum, and I've quite enjoyed it a bit. If you like this video, and even if you don't, please make sure that you subscribe to this channel, but also please make sure that you leave your thoughts down below in the comments, and then that you share this video with your friends and family so that they can see what your favorite channel is. But from myself, Bakkie and Mlu behind the camera, thank you so much for watching, and have yourself a good one.